Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
As part of efforts to encourage hard work amongst its staff and achieve increased productivity, the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) recently gave Meritorious Service Awards to some 126 of its employees. Speaking at the award-giving ceremony in Port Harcourt, some NDDC directors said the recognition was to motivate deserving employees and encourage them to imbibe the ideals of the new NDDC, which are anchored on diligence, probity, and quality service delivery.
21 years after its inception as an intervention agency, the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) recently singled out 126 staff members for recognition. They were given meritorious awards for their hard work and diligence in service. Director of Administration, Dr. Charles Akpan, who represented Interim Administrator of the NDDC, Dr. AKUGHA, at the award-giving ceremony noted that the awards were well-deserved and intended to motivate their recipients.
I want to commend all the staff who are due for this award today, because it is as a result of hard work that you are recommended for this. And I want to commend all of you that you have done so well, especially in the last 3 years that we have been in the eyes of the storm. It is something to encourage you to keep up.
The award recipients were in various categories, 35 of whom have spent 25 years in service. NDDC Director in charge of Human Resources, Silas Ayanwu, reminded the beneficiaries that much was expected from them henceforth. He used the occasion to formally announce plans to embark on massive redeployment of staff in line with ongoing reforms in the Commission.
If you have spent about 5 years, 7 years, 10 years in one particular scale, brethren, I think it's wise, I think it's important that you also move. It's not intended to victimize anybody, but it's something that has to be done if we must sanitize this place.
Some of the awardees had kind words to say about the current management of the NDDC, led by Dr. AKUGHA.
I want to say thank you to the management of NDDC for recognizing our contributions, our sacrifices, and all the effort we put in to make the Commission move forward and the Niger Delta region as a whole a better place. We want to assure you of our continued dedication, diligence, and input.
I thank God for IA to have thought it wise and worthy to honor me today. I so much appreciate. I pray that God Almighty will give him the wisdom to carry out the mandate given to him to an expected end.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,